Hi, I'm Eddie Johnson here at Vintage, and with me you see our Class 3 pedal assist bikes. I have the Cafes and I have the Rally. These bikes come in 3 frame sizes for proper leg extension while you're pedaling: small, medium, and large. Our pedal assist drivetrain features a removable 500 watt battery with a range of up to 60 miles that powers a 750 watt rear hub motor, enabling pedaling speeds of 28 miles an hour with absolute ease. With 10 mechanical gears and 5 levels of pedal assist, our pedal assist drivetrain can be a nice, easy ride, or it can be an absolute rocket ship. The Rally shares the same drivetrain as the Cafe, as well as the same frame geometry in small, medium, and large frame sizes. Differentiating itself from the Cafe, the Rally has a suspension fork and knobby tires that allow for all-road exploration.